Palm Desert football just finished their third straight season with a league title. The Aztecs are 18-0 in league games dating back to 2016. Pretty darn good. Here in 2019, they were powered by their star running back Simon Gaete, who's been virtually unstoppable. But the seniors stand out much more than just a force on the football field. Here's Taylor Begley with the full story on our latest Student Athlete of the Week.
Oh, I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat.
That's the Simon Gaete you see on the field for Palm Desert every Friday night, racking up enough rushing yards to lead the entire state of California this season. But there's another side of Simon that his teammates and coaches know.
I call him a weirdo all the time, but he's a funny kid, and he's fun to have around, and he's a great kid, great teammate. He plays the piano, he plays the trumpet, he plays all kinds of things, man. He's got a lot of talents, and he's going to do great in life.
The senior running back also excels in the classroom, with dreams of becoming a nurse anesthetist.
My dad is a pharmacist, and my mom's a dietitian, so it's all about health in our family. We're all into science. I've always just been interested in chemistry, especially.
After this season, playing at the next level is a real possibility, and it all started with a position change.
He's been a 3-year starter for us, but he played slot for us the last couple of years, and we broke the news to him after last season that, we're going to put him at running back next year, and he took it to the heart, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He was here every day after our workouts in the off season doing extra work and put on like 20 pounds, and he took it seriously, and it's obviously showing.
I worked really hard throughout the off season. I would work out by myself if no one could work out, and it paid off.
Even though the statistics are under his name, Gaete will be the first to credit his offensive line and coaching staff for their contributions.
Teamwork is everything for me. I love playing with they're family now, really. I love playing with them, and we've gotten really close together, and that's the best thing.
Everything we've asked him to do the last 4 years, he's done, no matter what it was, on or off the field. He's a great teammate. He shows up every day ready to work, and the rest of the kids see that too, and him and the offensive line are just molding right now, and it's a great thing to see.
I don't think I would have grown so much without this group of coaches. It's really just been an honor playing with Coach McComb and Coach Forty and just the rest of the coaching staff. They've just been so great and so inspirational.
So watch out, world. Here comes Simon Gaete, and good luck bringing him down. Reporting for News Channel 3, I'm Taylor Begley.